Alright, what we have here is a Wisconsin powered wood chipper made by Bush Beaver. Another use for a beaver. Let's see, we have we have a couple of mufflers on this thing. We dug this thing out of the bushes. It's kind of one of those things where, you know, you cut the grass and you find a car. Well, this time we cut the grass and we found a wood chipper. Alright, so now we're going to fire this thing up here, and just so you know, it's cold. We haven't started it. That's the muffler. That sucker's going to be hotter than a $2 pistol here in a minute if it fires. Well.
Look at still.
It might work. Whew, smells bad. Ooh, grind me a pound while you're in there. Oh, looks like we're going to have to hook up the battery charger. Quite the throttle.